Okay, I cleaned off the solar panels here, and we went from 20 watts to 110 watts right there. So now we're producing a little more electricity. We're at 38 degrees, so our power flashed, went out for a split second, reset itself. So let's see what happens. We may end up with a power outage just because the heavy snow could be weakening some trees. We'll see what happens with the snow. Hardly any, really, but it's heavy and people in Virginia aren't used to this type of thing, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so I wanted to come out here and just see what I was producing at 20. Cleaned them off. We're at 110. I'll keep an eye on them if they get covered up again, which looks like they're going to, so I'll have to come out here again and wipe them down a little bit later. But 110 watts really ain't nothing to speak of, so it's really not doing much. Keeping the batteries warm though. Alright, thanks for watching.